Today we're going to learn how to make ice cream in a bag by using everyday household items. If you want to learn how, just keep on watching. First, you're going to need 2 Ziploc bags. It should be 1 small and 1 large, but these are the only bags I had, so we're going to make it work. Then you need a measuring cup. I'm using a 1/2 cup measuring cup. To make it easier, you're going to need some ice. So I have a cup of ice right here, some milk, vanilla extract, some salt. I only have iodized salt. It works a lot better if you use rock salt or ice cream salt, but we're gonna use what we have. A spoon to stir the ice cream, and I also have 2 oven mitts because you're gonna need them to help you shake the bag because it does get cold. This is going to be the bag that the ice goes in. So I'm gonna open the bag up and pour some ice in. Enough to fill the bottom of the bag. I want to leave some space because the other bag is going to fit up here. Then we're going to fill the bag with about 1/4 of a cup of salt. And this is a 1/2 cup measurement. I'm only going to fill this halfway. Then we're going to go ahead and pour the salt into the bag. And this is what it looks like. So what we're gonna do now is fill up this bag with milk. So since this is a 1/2 cup, that means we're gonna fill this up 2 times. Pour in 1½ tablespoons of vanilla extract. Then we're going to try to get out as much air as possible in the bag, and we're going to zip it closed. Then we're going to take our bag, we're going to put it inside the bag with the salt and the ice. We're going to make sure it's sealed nice and tight. We take the bag and we shake. As you guys can see, while you start to shake it, the ice and the salt is going to start freezing. So we're just going to keep on shaking. So now we stop shaking the bag, and I'm going to go ahead, take the ice cream bag out, rinse it off before opening it because you want to make sure you don't get any salt inside of the bag, and then we're going to come back. So here's our bag after we've rinsed it off and rinsed off the opening too, because you don't want salt to get in there. Go ahead and take our spoon. We're going to stir it up. You can see that it's frozen. If you want it to be some thicker ice cream, you can shake the bag longer, and that's it. You can eat it in the bag and then throw this out when you're all done. And there you have it, ice cream in a bag using household items. Thanks for watching.